Hi, darling, how are you?
Hi, Daddy.
What are you doing, Mama?
Nothing, just doing my homework.
Let me see. How is that going? I can't read that. I can't read that. I just can't. Can you read that for me?
Sure, Dad. Well, hold on a minute. Um,
Don't worry, I'll show you how to complete your assignments digitally right now, right here. Okay guys, so here is the assignment you are to complete. I got this assignment from the platform that my students will be using. So in order to fill out and complete this worksheet, the first thing you want to do is you want to save this document, this PDF file on your computer. In order to do so, click on these three little dots and you're going to click open in new window. Once the document is available on a new tab, you're going to be able to download it. Okay, now at this point, this document, this assignment is downloaded onto your computer. Now, depending on the operating system you have, whether it's Microsoft or Mac, your PDF files are going to automatically open in a certain program. In this case, I am using Mac. So if you have Mac, this is how your file is going to look like. And in order to complete the worksheet and fill it out with your responses, you're going to click in the annotate icon or tool, and then you're going to click in the text option. Notice how clicking that text option is going to make a text box available for you to type. You can move the text around, change the color of the text, and you can even change the font and the size of your text. So once you fill out the assignment, you're going to click File and Save. Okay. Now we're going to open it back again, and there you go. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to go to your browser, and then you're going to look for Chrome Web Store. Then you're going to type small PDFs, and this is the extension that you want to add. You're going to click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and notice how this extension is going to pop out on your toolbar at the top of your screen. Now, in order to have access to this extension, you want to make sure that it is activated. Now, you want to make sure that it's turned on your computer. In order to do so, you're going to click on this puzzle piece, and then you want to make sure that the extension is pinned. Okay, once the extension is pinned, it's going to permanently show up on your bar. Now, if you choose to go this second route, you're still gonna have to download the document or the assignment. And now I'm gonna click on the icon for small PDF. What do I wanna do? I wanna edit. I'm I'm gonna choose the file. And now I will be able to type on the document. For example, if you are text, you can again change the color of your text. It doesn't have as many options. You can change the size or the font. It doesn't have many options either, and you can definitely change the size. That's normal, small, tiny. Okay, you're gonna click finish. You download once again. Once the completed worksheet is downloaded on your computer, you open it, you make sure that all responses are recorded. And now that it's saved on your computer, you're gonna be able to upload it on whatever platform your teacher asks you. Now, if we scroll down, you're gonna find that in this assignment, there are other diagrams. It's not only plain text. You're also gonna find Venn diagrams. You're gonna find concept maps, for example. Sometimes you're going to find illustrations or pasted images and whatnot. In that case, your best option is to use either your default PDF app on your computer, or you can use the second option, which is the extension, small PDF extension. Now, if your assignment is way simpler than this, like this, you have other options as well. The first one is you can open the attachment on Google Docs. Your second option, just select everything, you copy, and then you can paste it on a Word document. And there you go. And that was option number 3, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, make sure to like and subscribe for future tutorials so you don't get stuck in school. Remember, there's always a solution. Bye!